Top 5 Best Frying Pan and Pan Splash Guard. Number 5. Ensures that your food cooks evenly, while the ergonomic handle allows for a secure and comfortable grip. The accompanying lid doubles as a splash guard, effectively reducing mess while allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks. Its tight-fitting design helps keep oils and liquids contained. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 4. T-fal's nonstick frying pan boasts superior scratch resistance, making it ideal for everyday use. Its thermospot technology ensures that the pan is preheated to the right temperature before cooking, guaranteeing perfect results every time. The included splatter guard works in tandem with the non-stick surface, reducing oil splashes and keeping your stovetop spotless. It's easy to clean and built to last. Its tight-fitting design helps keep oils and liquids contained. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 3. Steel splatter guard is designed to handle high heat while keeping splatters at bay. The mesh is finely woven for maximum protection, and the adjustable handle provides an ergonomic hold. It fits most standard frying pans, offering exceptional coverage and safety during frying. Best for durability and premium build. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. T-fal stainless steel splatter screen. The T-fal stainless steel splatter screen is made with high-quality stainless steel mesh and is designed to prevent hot oil splashes from making a mess in the kitchen. Its large diameter offers ample coverage for large pans. The ergonomic handle features a soft touch design for comfort, and the screen is dishwasher safe. Best for large frying pans and easy handling. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. Zule Kitchen Splatter Guard. The Zule Kitchen Splatter Guard is a great budget-friendly option made from premium stainless steel mesh. It offers excellent protection against hot oil and grease splatter, helping keep your stovetop clean. The silicone-covered handle ensures a safe, non-slip grip and is designed to fit most frying pans. It's also dishwasher safe for convenience. Best for budget-conscious consumers without compromising on quality. Check latest price. Visit the description link.